Don't eat bread. A healthy, nutritious breakfast that's ready in less than 10 minutes. First, I'll cut off the broccoli stalks like this. Then take a grater and let's grate that broccoli. Have you ever eaten broccoli for breakfast? It really is super tasty and nutritious and well worth it. When you've finished grating the broccoli, transfer it to a bowl. This recipe was a big hit here at home. Then add 4 eggs and a chopped or grated onion. Mix well. In the meantime, tell me how you make your breakfast, because I want to know, do you like it traditional with bread? Or do you prefer these substitutions? To continue, add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic, 100 grams of grated mozzarella, a generous tablespoon of cream cheese, and mix again until all the ingredients are combined. And tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a super kiss. Once that's done, grease a frying pan with olive oil. I'm going to use a silicone brush because it's easier to spread, and this way our dough won't stick to the pan, so let's pour in our mixture. We'll spread it better with the help of a spoon. Keep doing it this way. And I want to take this opportunity to send a big kiss to Audrey Lee, who watches our recipes from Sydney, Australia. And then just cover and leave for 7 minutes over a low heat. Once this time has elapsed, we'll turn it over using a plate and let it cook on the other side. And remember to leave your rating for this recipe. Cover and leave for 3 minutes. After that time, it's ready. It really is delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.